sitting right in front of a badger den or something. I just heard something grunt. Don't know what it was. Hope it wasn't coming from that hole. I'm about ready to go back to the camper. It's about that time anyway. It's about 7:15 or 8:15. Sun sets at 8:43. Pretty interesting evening. Let me see if I can show you where the truck's at. It's right up there. Yeah, you can see it if you know where you're looking. If you know where to look. Yeah, that's where I was sitting this evening. Getting ready to pack up and head back to the camper. For some reason, the pheasants wasn't croaking back in that gully today. I guess they seen me or something. Man, let me switch around here and show you where I'm at here. There's the road right there. I'm real close to the road that runs back into the campground. Truck's right over there. All right, I'm gonna head back to the truck because it's starting to sprinkle a little bit. I got a little walk to go. I walk pretty slow, so it won't take much to get me wet. Okay. Well, I'm getting closer. Not too far to go. I think it's going to be a nice, cool night to sleep. Yeah, some guy just pulled up in the truck. Looks like he had a bird dog in the front seat. He parked down there and let his dog out, and he got out, and they went down the road. Okay. Yummy, yummy. Don't that look good? Yeah. Yummy, yummy. This is Friday. About 2:15. Planning on staying till at least Monday. Just went to town, got some more ice today. Okay. I'll better get stirring that bacon. I just seen 5 cock pheasants over there in that light-colored grass. Seen 7 altogether so far since I've been here. It's about 30 minutes. It's not too bad. One just crowed. I hope we got him. There he is. I see him. I think there's 2 there. Finally found him. Oh, yeah, there is 2 there. Yeah. That's 9 pheasants so far. Maybe 10. Yeah, that's 10. There's 2 right there together. Look at that big old ringneck. sticking his head up. Probably hears me talking, but he's quite a ways off. I really got it zoomed in. Yeah, there's two together. Well, they're chowing down on something. Come it got blurry. Yeah, all right, that's better. Well, I think that's enough on those. There he is. See him sticking his neck up. A big green neck. Oh, they're a beautiful bird. Oh, caught a few pheasants in there. Couldn't have picked a better spot. Oh, where's he going now? He took off. Yep, there's another one. There's another one right there. I think that's the same one that was just out in the field. I think that's a pheasant. Looks like it. Yeah. Oh boy, there's a pile of bacon there. Yeah, sure smelling good. Wish you was here to smell it with me. You could probably have some too. There's plenty of it. We got two hens and a male out there, pheasant. So they're hard to see. I can zoom up a little more. Oop, don't want that one. There they are. One cock, two hens. First hens I've seen on my trip. I guess the rest of them are sitting on nests now this time of year. What was that one going to? Oh, he's strutting around for the hens. He's trying to impress them. That's what he's doing. Got a hen pheasant tagging along with that male. Oh, what's that over there? Is that two cocks over there? I think so. Still the same one. Boy, they're a beautiful bird. Kind of hard for me to see them here with my naked eye. With my phone, I can see them fairly well. Zoomed in. Looks like they might be going back into the grass. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, they're gonna do the stuff in the grass. Yeah, my old buddy's back. He's been out here every evening. Comes in from the same location. That's 7 I've seen today. Yeah, he's usually by himself. I was hoping he'd come my way, but don't look like he's going to. He's going away right now. Yeah, he's going way out there. There's about 7 in that group. About 50-50, male, female. Yeah, they're not moving too much. Well, you can see that male sticking his head up. Little light squats it. There you go. He flapped his wings and he crowed. It's about 7:25. About time for me to head back to the camper. I'm getting cold. There's a deer. I think he's seen me. Oh yeah, he's seen me. Or she. Yeah, he's gonna hightail it all. Leaving the dust behind. Boy, that looks like a mule deer. Big old ears on that dude. Good morning, everybody. This is Sunday. I've been gone at least 7 days so far. Gonna leave. Plan on leaving and going home tomorrow. Boy, sure is a beautiful day out. It's 72. We got a southwest wind and it's cool. I had a perfect night's sleep last night, boy. I tell you, I went to bed at about 11. Woke up at 1, done my thing, went back to bed, and I didn't get up till 7:30, which was good for me. Okay, don't know what the plans are for today. Just sit around and enjoy camping, I reckon. Had a good evening yesterday. Seen 17 pheasants. One group had 7 in there. There was 5 females and 2 males. You know, this is mating season and nesting season for them, so gonna make some new ones for next year. I hope it turns out real well for them. Pretty dry out here. We need rain. Well, I'm gonna start my coffee here and maybe look at the morning news on my phone and start my day off and see what happens. All right, later. Oh, by the way, this is a free campground. It don't cost nothing to camp here. I guess it's called Wilderness Campground or something like that. Campers worked out real good this trip. I haven't had any problems except my back door. My lock on my back door, I couldn't get a shut there for a couple of days until I figured out what it was, and it was a bed frame that the lock is attached to, moved over, and finally got it lined up and got the pin in, was able to lock it. That made me feel a lot better. Okay, later.